having a burping contest. You have to film me, okay?
Okay, hold on. Is it film? Yeah, it's film. Okay. Holy shit.
Okay,
Oh my crap.
there you go. Go. You take forever.
I'm gonna burp like so low. I can't burp.
Why? How can you not burp?
I don't know. I burped before, but not now. Shut go.
Still don't understand why you're using a shot glass.
Alright.
Why did you burp so much?
3 shots make perfect.
Okay. I burped louder, but you.
I burped most and longest.
You burped the most, and I burped the loudest.
Yeah, but I burped.
I
burped the longest. Yes,
That's what I just said.
You said loud.
It's the loudest. I know. I said you burped the longest, and I burped the loudest. That's what I said. Don't do that. It's gross. Okay. So do you want? Okay. That was the loud contest. You want to have the long contest?
What?
That was the loud contest. I won the.
hell?
What did the loud
I
contest?
would have done the loud contest too.
That was the loud contest.
Well, you didn't tell me.
That's the burping contest. The burping contest is the loudest.
No, Rick. You have to say which one's which. You're stupid.
Yes, I
Yeah,
am.
you're good.
You are just.
I'll swear to God, I'll shoot this at you. I'll blow your face.
That's cool.
I'll blow you.
That's gross. Look good. Okay. I